Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off night mode on Telegram. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off night mode on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And after opening your Telegram app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and you will have open this interface where you can see there is the settings option available for us. Just below the saved messages, tap on settings, and again on this interface you can see the chat settings option available for us. Tap on that chat settings and this kind of interface will appear where you can see, guys, under the category of color theme over here there is the switch to day mode option available for us. Now in order to turn off your night mode, you can tap on the switch to day mode, and with that being done, guys, your night mode on Telegram will be changed or turned off. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn off night mode on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.